Seven shocking habits of successful people. Ever wonder why some people are more successful than others? What could be their secrets? Well, we all know that success does not just happen overnight. Successful people made a lot of sacrifices and discipline. That includes developing good habits. So, in this video, you will learn the 7 shocking habits of successful people. But before getting into it, please subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon for regular updates. Number 1. Waking up early. Did you know that most successful people start their day at 5 or 6 in the morning? By waking up early, successful people are adding hours of productive time to their day. Studies show that productivity peaks first thing in the morning when your body and mind are fresh and full of energy. So, you might want to trade in a night wasted watching Netflix or browsing social media for a morning of goal setting and accelerated productivity. This should give you a head start and make your dreams a reality while others are still sleeping. Number 2. Exercising consistently. A consistent exercise routine supplies the physical energy you need to achieve, letting your body operate at 100%. When you create schedules and weekly goals for your workout, this habit will be carried to your work or business. So, you will learn to set attainable expectations and appreciate your small victories along the way. Also, consistently exercising makes you feel sharp, positive, and confident, helping you achieve your goals and find your success. Number 3. Reading every day. The world's most successful people are also avid readers. Elon Musk, Mark Cuban, Warren Buffett, and other successful billionaires read 4 hours every day. Studies show that reading puts your brains in a mental treadmill, stimulating growth and fending off diseases like dementia. Also, it improves your memory, upgrades your vocabulary, and it gives you detailed knowledge about any subject. So, if you read every day and choose the right books, you should be making progress in no time. Number 4. Spending money. Yes, you heard it right. You have to spend money to make money. Most successful people shift their focus from their current expenses to their potential profit. So, instead of cutting costs, they're more willing to invest in something that increases their revenue, thereby promoting business growth. In psychology, this attitude is founded in the so-called delayed gratification. When you regularly defer your rewards, you are nurturing productivity and self-discipline, which are the essential tools for you who is searching success. Number 5. Ignoring conformity. Most successful people don't just think outside of the box. They are actually living outside the box. Instead of copying what is popular, successful people recognize a problem and create a unique solution, allowing them to offer a service or opportunity that no one else can provide. By ignoring social norms, they are also avoiding pressures of comparison that are detrimental to motivation and productivity. So, if you want to be successful, think for yourself and produce projects that reflects your unique individuality. Number 6. Mild procrastination. Yes, successful people also procrastinate. Actually, there are 2 types of procrastination. The first one is passive procrastination that delays any project for days, and the second one is the active procrastination that is used to increase performance. You guessed right. Successful people do active procrastination. This does not involve anything about leisure, but putting off work to do other work. As a strategic procrastinator, you can put off your work to prioritize an immediate responsibility. Or, if you have a hard time to start working, try to shift your focus on something easier or less time-consuming. By doing this, you are not wasting your time because you are still being productive. Number 7. Daily meditation. Please don't brush this off as spiritual nonsense because facts don't lie. Studies show that a 20-minute daily meditation can mitigate stress, increase memory retention, and strengthen problem-solving skills. There are a lot of blogs on the internet that will teach you how to meditate. LinkedIn CEO Jeff Winter, billionaire Mark Benioff, and philanthropist Oprah Winfrey meditate to make better decisions and navigate through their stressful careers. Meditation can be a healthy and relaxing way to achieve success. So, this is all for today. Feel free to share with us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, give this a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.